One of the most chilling and infamous events in American criminal history, the St. Valentine's Day Massacre, stands as a stark testament to the brutality and ruthlessness of Chicago's organized crime during the Prohibition era. At the center of this blood-soaked incident was the notorious gangster Jack McGurn, also known as Machine Gun McGurn. This video delves into the details surrounding the St. Valentine's Day Massacre and McGurn's alleged role in orchestrating the tragic event. Background on Jack McGurn. Born Vincenzo Antonio Gibaldi in Italy in 1902, Jack McGurn's path soon intersected with the notorious Chicago outfit led by Al Capone. McGurn's exceptional marksmanship abilities earned him the nickname Machine Gun McGurn, reflecting his expertise with a Thompson submachine gun and his willingness to resort to violence to keep the criminal operations running smoothly. The North Side Gang and Moran McGinn rivalry. A fierce rivalry existed between George Bugs Moran's North Side Gang and the Chicago outfit, with McGurn acting as Capone's trusted enforcer. Behind the scenes, tensions grew as the North Side Gang encroached on the outfit's territory and challenged its dominance. The animosity between these factions eventually reached a boiling point, setting the stage for the St. Valentine's Day Massacre. The St. Valentine's Day Massacre unfolds. On February 14, 1929, 7 members of George Moran's gang gathered at the SMC Cartage Company garage on North Clark Street, believing they were about to receive a stolen shipment of whiskey. However, unbeknownst to them, the setup had been meticulously arranged by McGurn and the Chicago outfit. It is believed that McGurn himself ordered the attack, aiming to eliminate Moran and weaken the North Side Gang's influence. Execution of the massacre. Disguised as police officers, 4 heavily armed gunmen stormed the garage and opened fire on Moran's men. The victims, including Albert Weinshank, Frank Gussenberg, and others, were ruthlessly gunned down in a hail of bullets. The killers, believed to be members of the Chicago outfit, executed the massacre with swift precision. While Moran himself narrowly escaped the ambush, the St. Valentine's Day Massacre left an indelible mark on Chicago's criminal landscape. Investigation and fallout. The St. Valentine's Day Massacre shocked the nation and drew intense scrutiny from law enforcement. Despite public outrage and demands for justice, investigators faced numerous challenges in bringing the perpetrators to account. McGurn and the Chicago outfit managed to evade conviction for their involvement in the atrocity due to a lack of conclusive evidence. McGurn's fate and legacy. While authorities never successfully tied Jack McGurn directly to the St. Valentine's Day Massacre, his reputation as a ruthless enforcer and his affiliation with the Chicago outfit made him a prime suspect. In 1936, McGurn's criminal career came to a violent end when he was gunned down in a suspected retaliation hit, the details of which remain shrouded in mystery. Nevertheless, the St. Valentine's Day Massacre stands as a lasting testament to the era's lawlessness and McGurn's alleged role within it. Conclusion. The St. Valentine's Day Massacre remains one of the most shocking incidents in American organized crime history, forever etched into public memory. Jack McGurn's alleged involvement in orchestrating this brutal massacre exemplifies the ruthless nature of Chicago's criminal underworld during the Prohibition era. Although justice may have eluded him, McGurn's association with this infamous event secured his place in the pantheon of notorious gangsters, leaving behind a dark legacy that continues to fascinate and intrigue in the annals of American crime.